Hi guys, it's been a while since I did a vlog. So since the Hell Weeks are about to end, I thought I'd make a video to document the last days of the semester. For me, it will end this week na, December 6. But I still have a project presentation on December 11. I think that's gonna be for another vlog na lang. Kasi hopefully matuloy ito. I'm planning to go to Aklan this December. I really hope matupad siya. I'm planning to go to Aklan with Ping. So, sana matuloy yun. Today is November 30. It's the last day of the month, but also the first day of the week. So, I thought I should be productive and hindi siya like choice. Kasi I really need ko talaga maging productive today. I need to finish my presentation for tomorrow. I need to finish my code for a project, for a group project. I also need to study kasi I have an exam that's worth 20% of my grades on Tuesday. And girl, yun, wala nang maalala kasi yung last lecture namin doon ay parang 1 month ago pa. So, those are what I need to do today. And I really hope I accomplish them because it's currently 1:41 already. That's a lot of things to do for a half day. So yeah. Hello guys, today is my project presentation for Stat 175 and this is the look. I didn't have time na to really get my makeup done, so I look like this. Hi guys, ako lang ba yung may backpack sa gilid, tapos may tote bag sa kabila, tapos para silang may laptop at binabagtas ang Lopez Avenue. Guys, kami lang ba ni Trisha yung tatawid? Ako lang ba yung naka-vlog sa iPad? Ayan, documented yan pag kami na ano. Kami lang ba ni Trisha yung ayaw sumama kumain kanina, pero nung sinabing Shadis, biglang napa-erm.
Pero ang tagal na din kasi
Ay, Shadis tayo ng birthday ni Aris ah!
Ano ka galing, Beth?
Tristan Core!
Ang bait niyo,
Ay, kumain na si Joshan eh!
Kunyari nasa hackathon tayo.
Si Nigel yung pupunta ng hackathon para lang may malagay sa CV. Pakikiraid lang.
Ako lang ba mukhang hindi talaga niligo kasi hindi talaga.
Ako lang ba yung mukhang hindi naligo pero nakadalawang ligo na. What? Kasi naligo kong 12 midnight.
Ilang oras kayong tulog?
Isang oras lang.
Ako 1 hour and 30 minutes.
Ako kanina lang.
Sabihin mo.
Skip daw kami.
Sir, may skip ka.
po kami. Mag-ano na lang kaya tayo, sama-sama na lang, tapos na lang yung pumunta sa...
Hindi na iikot.
Tapos exchange na lang.
Pwede rin.
After natin, sila naman.
Si Ivan ba ay twin Karu? Ganun ba ang twin Karu?
Meron kasi yung karo na... like matangkad.
Si Aris.
Ngayon, post-Ozempic din karo na siya. Ako yung pisa.
Si TJ Maray. Ay, pa yung nakaraan? Oo, ito ba? Oo, hindi, may nakasama sa tayo. Thank you.
Yung sa TikTok, may nag-post sa TikTok? Na parang nag-rate siya nung Dear Coffee na itsura.
Dito sa FB?
Oo. Okay naman na parang okay sa kape. Kaso yung sa cookies parang sabi niya parang lasang karton tapos kasi ano daw kasi punit daw ng boba. Oo. Di ba?
Last exam. Okay. Ano yun? Anong God bless? God bless the sweet girls. Sinong mean girl sa klase natin? Ay, sobrang hangin dito. Alpha ba?
Dapat sabay tayo atas.
Linda. Alpha ba?
One.
Ang layo na pinunta namin ni Nigel. Kasi we wanted to try something new. And nandito yun sa Makiling Heights Subdivision. Tapos yung pangalan niya ay Viewpoint Cafe. Tapos, andito kami, 2:30. Ang opening pala nila ay 3 p.m. pa. So, we have to wait for 30 minutes. Tara, sumayaw na lang tayo, bes.